Yo, what's happening? Back up in here with another one. And I'm working on the fried chicken again, man. I wonder if I can get some custom side pieces right here that said fried chicken. That'll be cool, huh? But anyway, man. Anyway, man, we back up in here, man. Back on the fried chicken. About to deal with this cylinder 6. I don't even know which coil it is. I think it's this first one though. I think it's the first coil. I'll try to trace that wire back and see. But I think it's the first coil. But yeah, I think it's on the first coil because it's pulling. I think it's the first one. Like I said, I took the spark plug out. Y'all seen that. So take this coil off and see what we got. I got some coils in the back that I can replace it with to check it. And yeah, see if we can, man, walk down this problem. It's crazy because I got a code for, man, it's battery low already? I was downloading last night. I got a code for the crankshaft position sensor. It's behind the crank pulley. Harmonic bouncer. I don't want to do all that, dog. Like, I swear I don't. Like, damn, y'all, GM, y'all questionable, dog. Some of this stuff y'all was doing is very, very questionable, dog. Like, why would you do that? Why would you put that there, of all places, on this engine? Why would you put that there? It makes no sense at all. But anyway, about to do that. But first, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my wheel on, man. I'm gonna wash it up real good. Probably when I get it on, I'm gonna wash it up. And yeah, cause this is what I was talking about. Just, I don't know what this material is, foam, whatever, but it ain't doing it no more. It's done. So he out of here. But I'm going ahead and put this leather wrap one on. Get that out the way. Clean all that up. I got the volume. I mean, I got the controls and stuff. They not gonna work. I know they're not gonna work. But being that I got the mad scientist Jazz, probably could figure something out to make that work. I don't really need it to work though, so I can figure it out for something else though. You know what I'm saying? I might put some go-go juice on here when I swap it. So have some of these buttons here, man, for, you know what I'm saying, for that. You know, wire to that. So I don't know. We'll make it cool though. But yeah, let me get to it, man. I'll hit y'all in a second. Yeah. Let's see, that's what I was talking about. I had some coils. I changed the coils because I thought something was wrong with them. Yep, and that's 6 and 3 right there. I changed them because I thought something was wrong with them, because the car was missing real bad. Turns out it was an error on my part, so it probably wasn't nothing wrong with the coils. But I bought brand new ones, so I don't know. I'm just gonna change it out to see. You know what I'm saying? If something happens, I'm gonna change it out and put that spark plug. I need to change that spark plug out. That's what I need to do. I really need to change that spark plug. But I'm watching that dude, man, Sugar Man on there. I've been binge watching dude. That's my guy. Been binge watching the man for a couple days now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm working and watching Sugar Man. He say Sugar Man, I say Sugar Man. He Sugar Man to me, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm Mr. Ain't Man, so of course. Got me some diabetical Kool-Aid. Good diabetical Kool-Aid. Look at that, look at that. Woo! Yes, sir. But anyway, let me go on, get this off and get the other one on, do a cleanup on it, and then I'm gonna get up on the hood and do what I gotta do. Alright. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Man Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Man Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, it look pretty good. Cleaned it up. Now if I ever wanna rewrap it, that leather, I can do that. Take it off, rewrap it. Airbag fit in there perfect. I don't know if the horn work. Got to, I guess. Just tighten up in there. Airbag tight. So we all good. So, alright, let's get down to the busy with the this old coil. Funny story about this. So the reason why I bought new coils in the first place was because of some stupid stuff that I did. And I don't remember if I don't know if I recorded this or not, but so what I did was I had done a tune-up on the car, right? Spark plugs, wires, all that good stuff there. But my car started missing. Started giving off a little crazy smell. So instantly, I'm already thinking, okay, catalytic converter stopped up. When I got my catalytic converter cut off, still the same thing. So I'm like, man, what's going on with my car? You know what I'm saying? I go buy new coils, buy brand new coils, right? Bought the coils, car still missing. I don't understand. I'm mad at this point. I'm moving so fast, y'all. This wire, this first spark plug wire right here that don't got the heat shield on it. Let me see. Right there, the first one right there, took the heat shield off. It was literally hanging right here. I'm moving so fast, I ain't even paying attention. Took the heat shield off, plugged it up, car started missing instantly. So I probably didn't even need new coils. I don't know if the coil's bad now, but I do know that something is not right. So yeah, I gotta figure this out. They're telling me to swap coils, you know what I'm saying, to another bank. I don't really want to do that. Cause now if I do that, I gotta wait on the check engine light to come back on to figure out, you know what I'm saying, if that's really my issue. I don't want to do that. I want to do, you know what I'm saying, like I really want to just go ahead, you know what I'm saying, the spark plug, looks normal, look like it got normal wear on it. So I really just want to see if the coil bed, and I just really want to put this coil back on there. You know what I'm saying? And you know, gone on about my day. This original. This was original coil that was on the car. And it wasn't bad. You know what I'm saying? I changed them because of some stupid stuff that I did. So I'm about to go ahead. I think I'm gonna go ahead, change this coil, see what we got, and go from there, man. Cause I don't really want to do all that. Like, I'm lazy. I'd rather be doing something else. I'd rather be editing videos for y'all, man. I'd rather be, you know what I'm saying, like doing something else. And with that being said, man, go ahead. If you haven't already, if you got this far in the video, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Like, comment. Comment right now and tell me what you would do in this situation. But like, comment, subscribe. Share, man. Share the videos. Tell a friend to tell everybody. Y'all know I was big on that once, but you know, once I got up in my subscribers, I really stopped saying it. But yeah, man, share it. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody else. And check out them links in the description, man. I know y'all can probably use some of that stuff. A lot of y'all that's on the channel, y'all got project cars or y'all dealing with stuff like that, man. So always check the description, man, because there's always gonna be some links in there that y'all might be able to use. So yeah, let me go ahead and pull these wires off and see what I got, man, because yeah, I gotta figure this out. Alright, y'all. So even though I think it's bull because there's no check engine light because I had the battery disconnected. So ain't nothing doing nothing right now. But the car is actually running smooth. Like, I'm talking about starting up different and everything. Like starting right up. Like, I don't know. We just gonna see where it go, man, cause I mean I still got my little exhaust leak, but other than that, man, the car running smooth. So I guess we're just gonna have to run it. I ain't gonna drive today. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna leave well enough alone right now, cause I'm tired. I don't even really want to deal with this, to be for real with y'all. So I'm gonna let this roll for right now. Tomorrow, drive it. I'm gonna drive it into that check engine light, come back on. I got my tool in here. I got my scan tool over there, so keep that with me. Is it running rough now? Let me see. Oh, that's how it was running. Is it pudding back here? It's a little put, but not. You don't hear no. You ain't hear it smacking up against my hand. So I don't know. So I'm gonna roll with that, y'all. Like I said, man, I appreciate y'all stopping in, checking in, tapping in with me, man. It's your dog, man. Like I said, go ahead, subscribe, comment, man, like, share. Follow me on Facebook, BeeloNation Farmer. Y'all know the Instagram and all that good stuff there. I gotta get under the car now because I got a wire on my fog light that's loose. So I gotta try to do that. The car is shaking a little bit, alright? But that could be because of that, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I know how we're gonna fix it. We're gonna take all this up out of here. That's what we're gonna do. So I just need this to buy me some time so I can do what I need to do. But anyway, it's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one, man.